So the easiest way to explain this is I'm just using waxing degreaser. Prepsol, I guess, would be the brand. Spraying it on a regular Scotch Brite used to clean your dishes. And just rub it on there till it's good. The purpose of this is really just to get the top layer off without actually destroying any of the damages or any of peeling off paint, getting rid of the rust. We're not trying to do any of that. All we're doing is cleaning the surface really well. And that's why we use regular dish cleaning stuff. It's so soft and non-abrasive that it's not actually going to peel anything off. You want to keep it wet. It's a big problem because all this stuff, as soon as it starts to dry, and then the heat today, it's just going to get right back in the pores. So the wetter you keep it, the better it is. Big thing is no circles, no cross hatching, no nothing, because you'll leave scratch lines if you press too hard. And if you do that, it's not really a good idea. You just kind of want to follow the body lines with a light rub and then wipe it off. Yeah, look at all that rust. And then the easiest way to do this is a tack cloth, more expensive way to do it, but make sure you get everything off it. And then we got linseed oil. Don't know how to explain it, just pour it on there. And spread it around with some paper towels. Rub it in nice and clean. Until it's like a super ooper duper thin layer. Wow, this stuff smells pretty. What I do suggest, make sure you rub this in really well, or the first dusty road you go down, your car is going to look like a mud pit, or probably just the color of the road. It'll soak into the pores and all the paint and stuff, and then you won't have to do it for about 6 months, give or take a month or so, depending on the weather, how much you drive it, if you wash it, and what's going on. There you go. The difference between the two. So that's it.